In the recent video on my main channel, the Soundstream Class A 3.0, I did mention, a couple extended tests if you guys wanted to see it. One would be test at 12 volt. The other would be test in the high current mode. So this video is going to show both. First off, let's do the 12 volt testing and see how the amp performs. Soundstream Class A 3.0, let's try 12 volts, 4 ohms, 1 kilohertz certified, 1% distortion. All right, 44 and 42 watts. Let's take it down to 2 ohms. Again, 1 kilohertz. Certified runs. 2 ohms is rated 50 watts per channel. We get 63, so still doing its rated power. We'll go to 1 ohm, where it's rated 100 watts times 2 at 12 volts. All right, so we didn't quite get there. We got 75 watts per channel at 12 volts. So it's a little bit overrated at 12 volts. Soundstream Class A 3.0, we're gonna do the 12 volt runs bridged at 40 hertz, 4 ohms test first, certified, 1% distortion. $118 at 12.5 volts. All right, let's go to 2 ohms bridged. $135 at 12.34. And then the Mac Daddy test. The 1 ohm bridged, 40 hertz, 1 ohm bridged, that's half ohm per channel. That went up quick. Let's try that again. All right, we got 119 at 12 volts. So people did express the interest in watching the high current mode of this Soundstream Class A 3.0. So we're going to flip the amp into high current mode. We're going to power it up, see how it performs. Make sure you watch this and see how it works, and we'll talk about it just a little bit at the very end of the video. Now we have the Soundstream Class A 3.0 in the high current mode. We're going to try 2 ohms bridge and then 1 ohms bridge, both of them certified. 40 hertz, 2 ohms bridge first. Here we go. All right, 134 at 14.23. All right, now let's try 1 ohm. Oops. All right, 1 ohm certified bridged using the high current mode. $132. I guess since we've got the high current mode enabled, we can actually go lower. So let's go 0.8. 0.8, 40 hertz. All right, 117, 0.67, certified. $96 jumped to 106 there at the end. And lastly, can we do half an ohm bridged at 40 hertz with this 30-year-old amp? Dynamic test with the high current mode enabled, 40 hertz. 203. All right, that's 1 ohm. Let's go 0.8. Dynamic burst 0.8. $194. .67. All right, 195 at 0.67. What about half an ohm bridged? Dynamic burst at 40 hertz. All right, 171, but then let's reset it and try it at 1 kilohertz. A little bit more. All right, there you have it. There you can see proof in the pudding. The high current mode is not going to give you more power than the high power mode. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Stick around for the next one. Big D, I'm out.